Okay, so you saw the title of this video, getting paid for taking pictures of literally anything. It sounds crazy, but this is a real and currently working side hustle that I've done before. And I know I can just talk about this and ramble on for hours on end, but instead, for the next couple days, I'm gonna throw everything to the side and strictly put my personal time into doing this side hustle to prove that it still works and you can actually make real money. And all you're gonna need to actually do this side hustle is a phone with a decent camera and just an internet connection, which pretty much all of us have. So I guess let's go ahead and jump right into the video, and make sure you guys are subscribed and like this video, because I'm putting a lot of my personal time and throwing it away into the side hustle just to show you guys how you can start making money. Okay, so before we start actually making money, we're gonna need to set it up and get in the mix to actually start earning. So the first thing that you're gonna need to do is go to your app store on your phone and download the Shutterstock Contributors app, because if you don't catch my drift already, we're gonna be selling pictures on Shutterstock, which is just a stock photo website where people can go on there, buy cool pictures for around $3 a pop. So once you have the Shutterstock Contributors app and you've made your account, got set up with everything, now you're pretty much ready to start taking pictures and uploading them to the website. It's a really simple process. So what I personally like to do is go outside, take cool pictures of nature, trees, plants, anything like that, because those also sell really well if they look good. Okay, so now we're gonna go ahead and get set up on a different camera. I'm gonna go outside, go somewhere in my house, take cool pictures of stuff, and I'll walk you guys through the process of how to optimize it for sales and get the most money. Yo, what's going on, guys? So I just finished running some errands. Now it's pretty much time to start working on this challenge, and we're at the point where we need to start taking pictures and generating sales. We're gonna get to grinding right now and taking some pictures, because as you can see, it's a pretty nice day outside. I could get some really cool looking pictures. I'll see you guys in a minute. Okay, so now what I'm gonna do to make sure I get as many pictures uploaded as possible is go through the camera roll on my phone and see if there's any Shutterstock worthy content from all the pictures that I've taken in the past, and then I'm gonna send them off for review, and obviously go through the process of optimizing the picture to sell. Okay guys, so I have my first set of pictures that I'm gonna be uploading to Shutterstock, and these are just some pictures that I took whenever I was on a cruise in Alaska. They have a really nice scenery, and personally, I think they'll be able to sell really well. So the next step is to actually upload these pictures to Shutterstock. I'm actually gonna do this step on my computer instead of my phone, because I feel like it's easier for me, and it's definitely easier to record for you guys. But you can do everything that I'm gonna be doing on your phone as well, so I'll make sure to talk over everything that I'm doing. Okay, so now we're on the website right now. As you see, we have no money and unpaid earnings because we haven't even uploaded a picture yet, but we're gonna go ahead and upload content and get our first picture uploaded. Okay, perfect. So we have our picture right here. We're gonna go ahead and change the content and optimize it so it'll have the best chance of selling. Okay, so obviously we're gonna put it as photo because it's a photo, commercial use because we want people to be able to buy the picture for commercial use, obviously. And now we're gonna do description. This is probably one of the most important, if not the most important part of uploading your picture to Shutterstock, because whenever people search for something similar to your description, you want your picture to be first on the top of the list. So for my description, I put beautiful ocean view under an Alaskan sunset, which just sounds really nice and peaceful, which is kind of the vibe we're going for in the picture. So for the categories, this is basically just what your picture is. So for our picture, it is gonna be nature. Let's do arts. Location optional, let's put Alaska. Okay, so the second most important step for your picture is going to be putting keywords, and as you can see, it did give us some suggestions of looking at the picture, what it thinks it is, so we're going to use a lot of these. Okay, so after you go ahead and use all the suggestions that it gives you, you're going to add some of yourself. And if it's a cool picture like this, you're going to go ahead and use wallpaper, so people can find a cool wallpaper for their computer background or something like that. And this is pretty much all we're going to need for the picture, and now the last step is to just hit submit. So we're going to go ahead and submit it, and now it's pending review. And it says it can take up to 5 days to finish being reviewed. Usually it takes less than a day. You'll get a notification on your phone if it's been accepted or not within the first couple hours. So I'm gonna go ahead and upload the rest of the pictures I can find on here, probably 2-3 more pictures, and then I'll come back and let you know once something happens to the account. So it's been a couple hours, and so far I have 3 pictures completely reviewed, accepted, and now they're submitted on my account to where people can start buying the pictures. So I'll show you guys which ones they are. So first we have this picture. I put big wake of cruise ship at the coast of Victoria, Canada. It's a pretty cool picture. It's definitely not the best picture I've ever seen, but surprisingly it got approved. I'm not really expecting any sales on that picture, but it looks good. It looks really good. And our next one is another picture in Alaska, landscape of Juneau, Alaska on a beautiful rainy day. Now I actually really like this picture. I mean, it's really simple and it's not that much to it, but it looks peaceful, it looks clean. I could honestly expect a few sales coming from this picture. Our next picture is also from Alaska. I think it looks really good, but the thing is that this picture is vertical, so it's not really that high demand on Shutterstock, but I don't know, we'll have to see. But I'll keep you guys updated for sure. Yo, what's up? You can pretty much call me Jeff Bezos because we're over here making bank. As you guys can see, I just uploaded those pictures. They just got approved like 10-15 minutes ago. I already have 36 cents in the account from someone downloading my pictures, which is honestly pretty crazy because I was really expecting to make next to nothing at all doing this challenge, but surprisingly, we might actually make some good money. Guys, we're actually making really good money here. As you guys can see, I've already earned $3.18 from only 13 downloads of my pictures. So after doing most of the math, this pretty much equals out to 20 to 25 cents per download of my pictures. So just imagine if one of my pictures blows up. We could make a really good amount of money here. And yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and take a little bit of a break and go aside. When I come back, hopefully we see $1 billion. Be pretty crazy, huh? Good morning, hello, what's up guys? So it's the morning right now of the next day. I really haven't looked at my Shutterstock at all. I did get one notification on my phone that a picture sold, but I didn't look into details, didn't look at anything to see how much money I made. So I'm about to open the contributor right now and see how much money I made. And I'm honestly really anxious. Like, you have that pit in your stomach that you don't want to look because you're really hoping it's something big, but you don't know what you're gonna get yourself into. So I guess let's go ahead and see if someone downloaded my picture. Let's open it on 3, 2, $20, dude. You're kidding me. $21 in 2 days. You've got to be joking. I literally have done this for 2 days, dude. I'm quitting YouTube. I'm quitting YouTube. I'm doing Shutterstock full time. That's it. Final decision. Are you freaking kidding me? Just from taking pictures in 2 days. This is free. If you guys don't download Shutterstock and start making pictures right now, you're honestly stupid. I don't know how else to put it if you don't do this. This is, wow. This is absolutely insane. I'm done. I'll see you guys in the next video. Download Shutterstock. It's madness.